Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to send Modic from Bitmart to your Arculus wallet. With crypto evolving rapidly, especially by 2025, this guide will keep things simple, secure, and up to date. Whether you're a beginner building your portfolio or an experienced trader, transferring assets doesn't have to be complicated. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Bitmart account set up and verified. Log in to your Bitmart dashboard, it's the hub for all your crypto activities. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section to locate your Modic balance. Double-check that you have enough Modic to cover the transfer fees. These can vary based on network congestion. Next, head over to the Withdraw option. This is usually found in the Wallet menu. Select Modic as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, here's a crucial step. Copy your Arculus wallet address. Open your Arculus app or wallet interface, go to the Receive section, and ensure you're on the correct network, probably Polygon or Ethereum, depending on how your Arculus is configured. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Enter the amount of Modic you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for gas fees if you're using the Ethereum network. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds, so triple check. Hit the Withdraw or Confirm button, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. After submission, the transaction will be processed. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025. Once it's confirmed, check your Arculus wallet to see your Modic arrive. Pro tip: always use official apps and enable security features like biometric login to protect your assets. And there you have it. Your Modic is now safely in your Arculus wallet. If you run into any issues, double-check the network compatibility, as Modic might require specific chains. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.